This is the Weather Bureau. Fog signals have been hoisted for the entire coast. Do not venture out to sea. We repeat, do not venture out to sea.
That fog is as thick as pea soup. And somewhere out there, the frog is trying to smuggle the world's largest diamond.
Shore to ship. Shore to ship. Calling Courageous Cat. Calling Courageous Cat. We have just learned that the frog has made contact in mid-ocean and is somewhere in your vicinity. He must be captured.
This is my kind of weather. Real sneaky. Hey, what's the big idea? Why don't you look where you're going?
Sounds like the frog's out there. Take the wheel minute while I take a look-see.
Here comes that Courageous Cat. Gotta hide the diamond.
I can't see any frog around here.
I'll warm things up for Courageous.
Ow! Oh! 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 Sharks! Sharks! I've been attacked by sharks!
That gets rid of Courageous Cat. Now to bring the diamond in. Come in, Rodney Rodent. Come in, Rodney Rodent. Make ready for rendezvous.
Rodney Rodent to Frog. Fog is lifting out here, so use extreme caution.
Cut out this nonsense and help me smuggle in this diamond.
I'll tie this tow rope to you, and I'll have you in a jiffy.
This must be my lucky day. I saved the diamond, and now this raft. Now, to relax a little. Hey, what's the big idea?
Missed it again. This is the worst target practice I've ever seen.
If I might say so, sir, call the Navy, call the Marines.
Calling Courageous Cat, calling Courageous Cat. Somebody is stealing Navy target. Investigate.
Uh-oh, that cat again.
Give up, Frog. You haven't got a chance.
Uh-oh.
Ready, aim, fire!
So long, Frog.
What a way to travel. Let me out of here. Let me out of here. My travel agent made a mistake, boys.
We have just heard from our intelligence that Comrade and Commissar, those two spies, are expected back any day now. Therefore, I want the tippity-top secret building under constant surveillance.
I will guard it with my very life. You can depend on that, Chief.
High above the Earth, a satellite is circling, waiting for an appropriate time to make its re-entry.
Turn on the TV camera, comrade. Let us see what's doing on Earth.
Okay, Commissar.
You will proceed with Plan X, comrade, as planned. You eject over top secret building. Wait for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Secret. Little secret. Medium secret. Big secret. Top secret. Tippity top secret.
This is it, Commissar. This is where they keep all the rocket plans.
Make it snappy, comrade.
Meanwhile, down on the street, our two heroes.
Did you see anything, Minute?
Only a stork.
A stork?
That's it. The X Plus, the most advanced rocket in the world.
Comrade, you are now a Commissar second class. I am a Commissar first class. Give me the plans.
We just missed them.
Remember, we give him the old one too. Don't shoot! Don't shoot! We surrender! Now all we got to do is switch trunks with the lady who gets sawed in half.
Ladies and gentlemen, the great Boo-Boo will now saw a woman in half.
It's getting closer and closer.
It's time to use my steel dissolving gun.
That's right, Commissar. The jig is up.
Hold it, Commissars. I've got you covered.
We outsmarted the cat.
This ought to do it. That closes the spy case. Now to relax.
Big reward for the capture of Outrageous Cat. It's Courageous Cat's cousin, Outrageous, the bad one of the family. I just didn't have the heart to ask you to do it, Courageous.
I took an oath to uphold the law and constitution of Empire City, and no cousin is going to stop me.
I'm proud of you, Courageous, real proud.
I've got to have time to think. Supposing he came here.
Yahoo!
Cousin Courageous. I just bagged me a couple of lawmen on that TV. Got 'em right between the eyes.
Now listen, cousin. I gotta talk to you.
I knowed it. Y'all wants me to move in with you. Well, I just did.
Now look here, cousin Outrageous.
Buddy boy.
Outrageous. You old bandit.
Froggy, you no good frog.
The frog.
Now, here's the plan, say. We're going to go up and we meet in front of the bank, say. And then they're going to go up, say, and then you're going to have to say, a cool $1,000,000.
I've got to stop them. I've got to.
Shh, lawman.
Cousin Courageous, a lawman?
So now, so say, and then we're going to say.
Sorry, Cousin Courageous, but business is business. It's a doggone shame about Cousin Courageous turning out so bad.
There! That does it!
Uh-oh. Here comes Courageous. Let's switch to my copter down the road a piece.
No. I've got an idea. Here he comes. Wait till he finds those money bags are filled with air.
Lordy B, look at all that money. That was a right smart explosion. buddy boy. Cousin Courageous did it again.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! The great Blavo, world's greatest ventriloquist, and his new dummy, Froggo, the greatest act in show business. Seating now in the balcony.
Looks just like me. Oh, well. Hey, wait a minute. Why, of course. The perfect alibi. I'll drive Courageous Cat crazy, say. I'll be in two places at the same time. The do-it-yourself alibi.
Curtain! Curtain!
Oh, that was close.
You're on!
One of us has got to go, say.
All right, all right. All right, Froggo, it's time to get to work.
Back to the same old routines, the same old grind.
Presenting Blavo, the world's greatest ventriloquist, and his almost human dummy, Froggo.
It's all right? It's all right.
Tell me, Froggo, who was that lady I saw you with last night? Come, Froggo. Who was that lady I saw you with last night?
I ain't no stool pigeon, sir. You can't make me talk, sir.
Says who?
Says me, sir.
Look here, you wooden-headed frog. You are fired.
Oh, yeah? A perfect alibi. Now that I've got myself covered, I'll knock over the bank. They'll never tie this one to me.
Calling Courageous Cat. Calling Courageous Cat. The bank has just been robbed. Suspect the frog.
This infrared telescope can see through anything. I'll focus it on the frog's workshop. Sorry to disappoint you, Chief, but the frog is sitting quietly in front of his TV set.
Well, then somebody else must have knocked over Jiffany's. It was just robbed of $1 million worth of jewels.
There's no time to lose. We've been foxed. This rope ladder gun will get me up there fast. He looks like a little angel sitting there.
What a haul! And me with an airtight alibi.
That frog! He did it again! I'll tail him! Give up, frog! You haven't a chance!
You got nothing on me. I got an alibi, sir.
Here comes the frog. Now there are two frogs. And Minute! He's got Minute prisoner!
You're not so brave without Courageous Cat. You're just another mouse.
Hold it, Frog. I've got you covered.
Okay, wise guy. Drop the gun.
This is the frog's nastiest trick. He's using his vacuum-cupped shoes. He's going to leave Minute on the top of the steeple.
Okay, Courageous Cat. Are you ready to make a deal?
This magnetic pillow gun is my answer to you. Okay, Frog, you asked for it. I'm bringing you down without the pillow.
I've got to admit, this is my greatest caper. Our motto, we clean inside and out. How do you like my vacuum cut shoes?
Hello, yes, madam. We know. The entire building has been burglarized. We're sending a man down to investigate. Come in, Courageous. Proceed to downtown building before someone steals its foundation.
Curtain drawn in broad daylight. Think I'll take a peek.
Comrade, we will have to blast. Okay, comrade. Ho, ho, ho! I've got it, comrade. I've got the plans for the new rocket, X-202.
The dirty crooks. Spies! Business is business, but my country comes first.
Follow that man. Okay, comrade. Okay, Frog. So don't try any funny business. Hand over the dispatch case.
There's Courageous Cat down there. I've got to attract his attention.
Look! The frog! He's in trouble!
We will give Courageous Cat a warm welcome. A hot foot.
One to go.
For the last time, do I get the plans or do I blow your head off?
Go on, shoot. I may be a crook, say, but I'm no traitor.
Oh, come on! You're spoiling everything!
This magnetic apprehender never fails.
The nation owes you a deep vote of thanks, and may I add my own to it.
Here are the plans to the rocket X-202.
Oh, that's all right. It's filled with blank paper. The real plans are very secure.
How was I to know?